Hey there, this is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life, and I'm here at the Fort Wilderness Campgrounds reviewing cabin 2721. So this is in the 2700 loop, obviously, and it's really nice and quiet out here, except for the occasional golf cart that goes by. But it's really nice and quiet, and I'm excited to show you around. So every cabin comes with its own private patio here, and there is a picnic table, and there's even a grill that you can use. It's very spacious. So let's take a look inside. So you walk right into the kitchen and living area. So here is a little living area. That is a sofa, bed, so it turns into a bed that sleeps two people. There's this dining area here, of course, large TV, lots of storage, drawers, cabinets, countertops, lots of storage, windows all around, so you get lots of light. And then, of course, a full kitchen. This is such a nice perk with these cabins. You have a full refrigerator, a dishwasher, there's even a toaster oven, and you have everything that you could possibly need. You have dishes, you have mugs, lots of stuff. Oh, mason jars for drinks. That's super fun. Microwave, stovetop, so full kitchen, super cool. And then you come down this hallway and there is a bathroom. Only one sink, but lots of counter space. Kind of a tiny mirror. The ladies could use a little more room for getting ready, but that is okay. So then you have your toilet, and then there's a full bath shower, which is a really nice feature. Okay, so moving on from the restroom area, you go out and then there is the bedroom, and it does have a separate door, so it closes off, but there is, looks like this is either a double or a queen. I think it's a queen size bed, and then two bunk beds, or I guess one bunk bed with one bunk with two beds. And then there is a little closet area, some additional counter space, little TV, and then this has a separate door out to the patio as well. And then you have the nice views. Very secluded feeling here, very nice. There are some post-COVID cleanliness upgrades that I'm seeing, so wrapped remotes, and then there is a notice here about enhanced cleaning. So that definitely adds a little bit of safety and security with the pandemic still going on. So that is a tour of the cabins. I love all these little details. Here's a fun little detail with this Bambi art on the wall, which I think is super cute. So I'm excited to stay here for a few nights, and thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Mindy with This Fairy Tale Life from the Fort Wilderness Campgrounds cabin. Thanks so much. Bye.